This February vacation week, we're here to share some creative ways to explore art making through play. Each brief video presents a daily prompt with a select set of materials and connects to a variety of artists present in the CMCA 2020 biennial. Our Art Lab series is designed for artists of all ages, and we encourage parents and guardians to modify materials and tools as needed.
Hi, Mia.
Hi, Alexis. This week, we're giving particular focus to two biennial artists, Tom Jessen and Fanny Broder.
Let's explore the exciting and different ways these artists invite us to think about art making and the excitement of playing games. While our galleries are closed, you can enjoy virtual tours on our website at cmcanow.org. Nested in the drop-down options of the What's On tab under C and Virtual Tours. Works on view by multimedia artist Tom Jessen are grounded in the language of everyday discarded objects, which have personal connections to his life and his environment. He uses recycled and repurposed materials and objects as a response to climate change. He hopes that these materials draw attention to the work's playfulness, humor, and jest, in contrast with more historical understandings of how art is meant to be experienced.
Today, we will build a portrait using objects that help define us as individuals. Find new ways of looking at the materials that surround you to form temporary and permanent depictions of self. Gather your objects and divide them into categories. Empty your pockets, backpack, or maybe pull from under your bed these personal items. Head to the recycling, kitchen table, and mailbox to collect varying household objects and different materials. Begin to assemble in various combinations, creating a piling of items that represents oneself, or develop configurations that emphasize certain shapes to represent facial features. Play with separating the objects into categories and spread or stack the items to form your object portrait. What do these items say about who you are at this moment? Where did this item come from? And who consumed this? Maybe you create a more literal interpretation of a portrait by combining and forming a face. What goofy expressions can you create? Can you hear, see, smell, and taste? Choose a tableau that appeals to your being and begin to capture your composition using your drawing tools. Layer, smudge, obscure, and reconfigure the items, playing with scale. Accumulate, build, and record your object portraits, adding in emotion, memory, and voice to the objects that go unnoticed each and every day. Thanks so much for making with us today. Join Alexis tomorrow for Shape Shuffle Remix.